This is the Meet the Numbers Lift the Flap book. On the front, we see number 1, number 2, and number 3. It's part of the Preschool Prep series. And when you open it up, you see the solid black number like children will see when they're reading or doing math. This number's name is 0. It's kind of fun. In the Meet the Numbers video, the 0 blows bubbles, but the bubbles keep popping. There's not a bubble there, which represents nothing, like the number 0. This book is fun because it takes 0 out of where they see it in the video and into a different location, so they get to see these characters kind of away from where they normally see them in the video. There's 1. 1 rides a unicycle with 1 wheel. And let's see a few other characters. 2 blows out birthday candles at a birthday party for 2 boys. And here's 3. 3 is a golfer who hits 3 golf balls. Okay, so we've got all of the other pages. Here's 7. And 7 little dolphins. I think these dolphins are adorable. And we go to the end. There's 10, like I said, my favorite character. And 10 is trying to move these huge rocks. I don't know if he'll be able to do that. And then the last page, we have to guess which number is going to be under each. So I see 1 apple there, so I'm guessing the number 1 is going to be under there. Yep, there's number 1. Here I see 2 balloons. Let's see if the number 2 is under there. It is. And here I see 8 trees. And there's the number 8. There's the back of the book. Practicing numbers has never been this much fun. And there's the spine. And that's Meet the Numbers book.